Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Martin and I am going to give you guys my review of this skincare moisturizer that was sent to me by, it's Dr. Arsy is the brand. And it is a moisturizer hydration cream that's meant for like sensitive skin, eczema-prone skin. So in my private practice, I do a lot of pediatrics. So eczema is really big and it's nice to find a product that is clean and natural that you can definitely like use on the, I get a lot of peds with eczema on their face and cheeks, and it's not always great to use steroid creams. So it's nice to find a good barrier cream that I can use. I would say I like this barrier cream. It is like dermatologist recommended and it's cruelty-free, vegan, clinically tested. And I did read through all the ingredients and it seems like it's got pretty good ingredients in there. It's got like shea butter, cocoa butter, B6, vitamin E, vitamin C, glycerins in there, and lots of different like pumpkin seed extract, lots of different like fruit and vegetable extracts. And I feel like they aimed to have pretty natural, clean ingredients that are safe on kids. So I do like that. Comes in this little thing. It is a very thick barrier cream. So it's not meant, I would say, for like a regular moisturizer. So I did use it on my own hands. And yeah, I would say it feels a little bit like oily and greasy when you put it on, but I think that's great for eczema. So it helps with that like barrier, soothing, helping that really inflamed skin. So if you do have that issue, I think this would be a really good option for you to put on as a barrier and something to like soothe and heal that eczema. So, so far I think it's a great product. I will probably try it on a few of my patients and see how they like it. But I think, yeah, I think this would be a nice option to avoid steroids and to avoid some of those over-the-counter products that might have a little bit more kind of chemically ingredients in there. This is a little bit more natural and a good option for those eczema-prone kiddos.